softly. There's something in your eyes. Don't hang your head in sorrow, and please don't cry.